Hello everyone, welcome to Gracia Farms. You know, it amazes me how every single day I learn something new about agriculture and planting. And today I learned something new. I've learned at Gracia Farm that every seed has inside a baby. But where is the family? So I did a lot of thinking about that, and I discovered that the mommy is the soil because it holds the baby seed. I got it now. If the baby is the seed and the mommy is the soil, the daddy must be the water because it helps the seed grow. So, as simple as that, the seed, the soil, and the water makes a beautiful and a healthy family all together. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit us on www.graciafarms.com or follow us on Instagram, gracia_farms. See you later.